although a Buddha has come, if he had not taught the true Dharma, we would not have benefited. Now, since the Buddha has turned the wheel of Dharma 3 times, we have the advantage of the teaching of the Dharma. Specifically, the first turning is about the 4 Noble Truths, the second is about the prajnaparamita, the perfection of transcendent wisdom, and the third is about Yogācāra and buddhanature. After attaining enlightenment, the Buddha remained silent. Later, upon the requests from Brahma and Indra, the Buddha started to teach the Dharma. The Buddha didn't only rely on miraculous displays to benefit beings, as in the case of a pratyekabuddha. Instead, the Buddha benefits beings through the extensive propagation of the Dharma. As we should know, the goal for the Buddha appearing in this world is to benefit beings through turning the Dharma Wheel. Hence, Dharma teachers of the later generations ought to carry on the same legacy. Of course, there isn't only one way to turn the Dharma Wheel. Asking someone to carry representations of the Dharma with them or having them recite a Dharma text is also a way to turn the Dharma Wheel.